Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Z James, and this is Z32 Workshop. And this behind me, beside me, is my 1993 Nissan 300ZX convertible, soon to be twin turboed, as apparent by the twin turbo motor that I need to basically redo here this spring/summer. And I am on the way of acquiring parts. And this is another unboxing video. I'm going to show you a couple components or things I bought from Z1. They are not a supplier of the channel. I don't know that they are. They do not promote my channel. I'm not getting paid to do any of this stuff. This is stuff I'm spending my own money on. That being said, today is going to be the accordion pipes that go to the turbos. They're pre-formed. So here they are. There's two of them. They come with all the accessories and inlets as needed. To be honest with you, I don't remember which way they go. I'll have to take a look at it when I get back into the car, but I am 90% sure they go something like this. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm right. I can't remember 100%. They go on the front of the car. Once again, when you're dealing with silicone parts, especially preformed ones like this is a pretty complex piece to make. So it's awesome that they're making this, especially since the factory ones are pretty much shot in rubber. And if you look at these, just like in the last video when I'm dealing with this stuff, as many cords are in here, is what they would call that, the stronger it is. So it's given some structural rigidity, and they layer this stuff up. So even though this is kind of squishy here, but these aren't boost. This is on the intake side. Let's see if I can kind of point out to you where they're going to be. On my NA car, bar with me in the battery charging situation, they come out, you got your intake here underneath the nose panel. There's a hose or piping, metal pipe comes here, and they come up here. Most likely, if I'm looking at that right, is going to be like this, I do believe, because they got to go to the turbo. This is an NA version, because mine were broke when I got this motor. So they would come up through here, but instead of going directly to the throttle body, they go down to where the turbos are going to be at. Let's see if I can actually show you on the turbo motor on the inlet side of the turbo right here. So that hose would come up via in here. There'll be another 90 in here to get this thing into connecting through in the new, because this is the intake side, this is charge side. Obviously this is exhaust side on the turbo. Just so everyone knows, these are going to come off and go for sale. I don't want them, don't need them, because I have better. And when I mean better, I mean better. 3-inch dumps. So yeah. So that's what's going to happen there. And that's where those components go. Like I said, this is a small, short video. It's going to be under 5 minutes easily, I'm hoping. But these is what they call the accordion pipes. They, like I said, they come from the intake that's underneath the headlight, and then they bend up and get you to the inlet side on the turbo. So this is all going to be under vacuum because the turbos are pulling fresh air through these two components like this. I kind of like them. Like I said, it's nice to have fresh rubber, and silicone lasts a lot longer than the rubber that's factory. As they're quite, cars are getting on age quite a bit. So that being said, if you guys have any comments or questions, please hit me up. I do believe Z1 does go on sale with these occasionally, like 10% off. Black Friday. These were not Black Friday sales. Maybe they were, I can't remember. I've had them for a while now, I just haven't shown them to you. So, like I said, if you guys have any questions, please hit me up. Also, please like and subscribe. Still trying to grow this channel, get the information out there on these components. If you guys have any questions, hit me up. Let me know. Take care, everyone. See you in the next video. Bye.